In this video, you'll learn how to analyze datasets using Kimi AI. By following this guide, you will be able to effectively leverage the capabilities of Kimi AI to gain insights from your data. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Use your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you should see the interface for Kimi AI, which features various options for data analysis and interaction. Next, look for the prompt area on the main interface. This is typically a text box or input field where you can enter your queries. Click on this prompt area to activate it, and you will notice the cursor blinking, indicating that you can start typing your request. Phase analyze data sets about company strategy and delivery company. This specific input will instruct Kimi AI to focus on the data sets relevant to the strategies of delivery companies. Ensure that your input is clear and free of typos to get the best results. After entering your query, locate the Enter button within the interface. This button is usually positioned beside the prompt area. Click on Enter to submit your request. Once you do this, Kimi AI will begin processing your query, and you may see a loading indicator indicating that the analysis is underway. At this point, you will need to wait for Kimi AI to generate the results. Depending on the complexity of the data sets and the capabilities of your internet connection, this may take a few moments. During this time, observe any progress indicators that appear on the screen, which will provide feedback on the status of the analysis. Once the analysis is complete, Kimi AI will present the results in a clear and structured format. You should be able to review the insights and findings that Kimi AI has generated based on your query. If the output meets your expectations, you can then proceed to use this information for your decision-making process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.